Hello again, this is the first startup video of the HP DV7-2215sa. Right, first of all, I'll show you a little tour of the ports. On this side you've got two USBs, Kensington lock, your power port, and of course DVD rewriter, which has also got light scribe. On the other side you've got your holder, I think that's the holder for the remote control, card reader, firewire, USB, eSATA, also got HDMI on here, Ethernet, I don't know what that is, and your VGA. Right, let's do a first startup. Pull this plastic off to start with. Whoa. Whoa. Right. Now, nice tracker pad there. Got a numerical keypad as well this side. Right, let's find the charger. Here we go. Round pin. Put that in. No, other side. There we go. Charging light on the side there. Right. Let's just start it up. If you can see. Just turn around a bit. Just starting Windows now. Well, so along here you've got your power, that's volume mute, volume up and down, and your media center controls, previous track, next track, pause and stop, and your wireless button. These are all touch controls, so you just have to touch the button on the top of there, and it's just a touch sensor. Just peel these sticker things off here. Don't really need to know that it's got an LED display on there all the time. And important notice for safety, please use the comfort guys. No, thank you. Just pull that off. Right, there we go. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. Once doing that, we'll open up the remote. Have there. Penny battery. And remote. Let's find out. Here we go. Windows 7 Home Premium. So we're in the United Kingdom. It's English, I think. Yep. Next, type of user. So, can't spell my name. David. Now, computer name you choose. Well, I'm going to call this laptop -002. So I've got a domain here. I'll set it up in the domain later. Next. Type of password. See, I'm not going to tell you what that is. Password hint is required, as it is with Windows 7. I'm not too much of a fan of hints, so I'm going to put N/A for not applicable. Next. Yes, I do accept the terms. Yes. Next. Security settings, so I'm going to choose use recommended settings, as you can always alter these later. Time, London, 7:02. No, that's not the time. Okay, let's double check that's the right one. Yeah, this one. So all we need to do is alter the time. So it is at the moment 4 o'clock. 14:02, yeah, that's about right. And it is the 7th of January. Next, choose a wireless network. We'll do that later, so skip. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. Fit the battery in here. Lift this compartment up. As you can see there, that's the slot where the battery goes. Plus side faces up. So there's a little plus on there. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. So that fits in there like so. And the case then pops back on like, should pop back on. Oh, bugger. Just try and find the battery again. Bloody thing. That goes in there. And that goes on. Whoever thought it'd be so hard to put a battery in something? Fucking remotes. Urgh. Bollocks. I'll do that later when I can find the battery. Bloody thing. Just move this out of the way then. Can't do that for the time being. Preparing your desktop. If you can. Sorry about the quality, but it's being filmed from my MacBook. Still preparing. And basically, as soon as that's finished preparing, it will pop up with the desktop and the setup will be finished. So that's all for now. Ciao.